Hi guys, I am going to show you how I have created and used synthetic data to train an AI model to detect multiple objects in this video without the need to collect or label any images. Based on my previous video on creating synthetic or fake labeled training data for deep learning using Unity 3D to detect rubber duckies. Today, I am extending to multiple classes to detect 4 types of Pokémons in this video. Let's see if we can train an AI model using only synthetic data to detect all of them. For this attempt, I have downloaded Pikachu, Squirtle, Charmander, and Meowth 3D models from free3d.com. Similar to the rubber ducky, I am going to create synthetic training data for them by rendering different views of the Pokémons over different random backgrounds. The 3D models are imported into the Unity 3D workspace. Disable all but only the first model to be used to generate synthetic data. For Pikachu, I have append a letter P before the generated images by putting a P in the output path. Doing the same for Charmander, Squirtle, and Meowth. Appending an appropriate letters in front allow us to annotate them accordingly later on. You would find screenshots of random views of the Pokémons generated in the specific folder. Each with appropriate letters in front to indicate what 3D model they are rendering on. In the Python script to combine the screenshots and background images, make the following changes to print relevant labels to the label files. 0 indicate Pikachu, 1 for Charmander, 2 for Squirtle and 3 for Meowth. After running the Python script, you will have the annotated synthetic data generated in your output folder. After training on YOLO, here is the detection results. We do observe that the YOLO model is able to detect and differentiate the Pokémons. Here Charmander is only detected when open arms. This might be due to the fact that the Charmander 3D models are in the open arm positions. This goes to show that our selection of training data for AI training is critical in determining the AI performance. Nonetheless, we see how it is possible to train a model to detect multiple objects using only synthetic data. To improve the result, we might need to increase the variation of the synthetic data, perhaps doing some animation to the 3D models.